What, your dog is still missing? Has it been 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks and 3 days now.
Oh, sorry. I'll take a look out for him.
Thanks.
Why don't you come over to my place?
Yeah, sure. What the heck? What?
Oh, I just got a dog. Don't you think it's cute?
What?
God, your face. I didn't know he was that ugly.
No, wait, no, that is my dog. That looks exactly like my dog.
What do you mean that's your dog? I've had this dog for 2 weeks.
That's exactly how long my dog's been missing.
No, what? Listen. If he's your dog, then call him.
Fine. What das? Come here.
Why don't I try? Travis, look at me. See? This isn't your dog.
They just look so similar.
I don't really see it. Anyway, let's go to my room, watch a movie.
Yeah, forget about it.
When we met in January, I expressed my doubts about the site, where it stood with graphics, how much programming was left that I had not anticipated.
Graphic hardware, we have to deal with site use, so after promotion never go on.
You liking the movie?
This is the first time.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
Any of those
You're still wondering if the dog's yours, aren't you?
What? No, I just think he's cute, that's all.
At the meeting in January, to which
Listen, I thought I already told you the dog was mine.
Yeah, you're right.
this letter is referring. Yeah. Let me rephrase this.
Well, my movie, I guess.
Don't look at me like I stole your dog.
I just can't help it. He looks so similar.
Come on, you're probably just tired.
What?
What? Huh? That looks exactly like your dog.
What the heck?